is just love. Source for International.
Hello students, welcome to the SourceForge learning session on the topic of matter for the chemistry for the grade 6 students. As you know, SourceForge is one of the leading names help students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skills. So let us start our class. Today we are going to learn about the chapter matter, and the objectives are matter and its classification, factors for existence of matter in different states, properties of different states of matter, and comparison properties of different state of matter. What do you mean by matter? The term matter refers to anything that occupies space and has mass. So these two properties must be there. Space, it should take some space, and it has some mass. In other words, the stuff that the universe is made of. All matter is made of the substance called the elements, which have specific chemical and physical properties and cannot be broken down into other substance through ordinary chemical reaction. This is all about the matter. This is from your book, the different kind of matter which are maybe solid, liquid or gases. So matter can be classified according to the physical and chemical properties. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass, as we discussed later. The three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. A physical change involves the conversion of substance from one state to matter to the other without changing its chemical composition. So there are two things. Intermolecular forces are the force of attraction which act between the neighboring particles. That is called intermolecular force of attraction. And what do you mean by intermolecular space? The space or gap between the molecules of matters, solid, liquid, gases is called intermolecular space. In solids, the intermolecular space is negligible because the molecules are tightly packed. In liquid, the intermolecular space is more than that of solid. But in gases, the intermolecular space is largest. Gas, liquids and solids are all made of atoms, molecules or ions. But the behavior of these particles differ from their three phases. Particles in gas are well separated with no regular arrangement. Here is the gas particles. There is no particular arrangement of the particles. In a liquid are close together with no regular arrangement also. In liquid also, there is not a certain patterns of arrangement, but in a solid, they are tightly packed and usually in a regular pattern. This is the molecules of solid. They are packed with a regular pattern. So the basic difference between solid, liquid and gases are in solid they are rigid, not rigid, and gas also not rigid. Solid fixed shaped, but in liquid no fixed shape, and gas also no fixed shape. Solid fixed volume. Liquid also contain fixed volume, but in gases there is no fixed volume. This is from your book, Arrangement of Particles and Properties of Different States of Matter. First, we'll consider the solid. In solid, particles are tightly packed, as I told you before. There is very less intermolecular space between the particles and solids of solid, due to which they cannot move freely. The intermolecular force of attraction is the strongest between them. So the intermolecular force of attraction in the solid is strongest. Thus, solids have a definite shape and definite volume. They cannot flow. They are highly incompressible. Wood, common salt, ice, stones are the example of the solid. Then come to liquid. In liquids, particles are less closely packed as compared to the solids. There is more space between the particles due to which they can move to certain extent. The intermolecular force of attraction is not as strong as the solids. Liquid can flow and thus need a container for storage. Liquid do not have definite shape, but they have definite volume. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Liquids can be compressed to some extent. Milk, water, juice, teas are example of the liquids. Then come to the gas. In gases, the particles are very loosely held. They are far away from each other and can move freely in all directions. The intermolecular space is maximum and intermolecular force of attraction is the weakest, that is minimum. They neither have definite shape nor a definite volume. Gases can flow easily and occupy the entire space available to them. So gases can be compressed very easily. Steam, air in balloons and smokes from the vehicles are the example of the gases. So these are the basic characteristic differentiation between solid, liquid and gas. The three states of matter differ in their property because of the intermolecular space, cohesive force between the particles, and the movement of the particles of matter, that is called Brownian motion. What do you mean by Brownian motion? The particles of liquid and gases, which are also called fluids, move rapidly and randomly in any direction. This random movement of microscopic particles suspended in a liquid or a gas. As a result, the continuous bombardment from molecules of the surrounding medium is called the Brownian motion. The Brownian motion is the slowest in solid because the molecules in the solids are tightly packed, and faster in liquid and fastest in the gas. So this is about the scientist who gave the idea about Brownian motion. His name is Robert Brown. A Scottish botanist discovered the random movement of particles. Brown noticed a rapid oscillatory motion of the microscopic particles within the pollen grains, suspended in water under the microscope. When he was investigating the fertilization process in flowering plants called Clarkia pulchella, this motion of tiny solid particles suspended in a liquid or a gas was named as a Brownian motion. This is one of the activity to show how smaller particles can take space between the bigger particles. So material requires sugar, some pebbles and a jar. Take the jar and fill it completely with some pebbles. These are the pebbles. You will see a lot of space between the pebbles in the jar. Now take sugar and add it in the jar containing the pebble, the sugar cube. Then we start the adding. The sugar particles fill the space between the pebbles. So conclusion is that the intermolecular space between the bigger particles, which is here is pebbles, is occupied by the smaller particles, that is sugar. So similar performance the activity used in marbles and sand instead of pebbles and sugar, and concluded that the space between the marbles is filled by the sand also. So as we know, there are only three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. But fact is that most of the matter exists in solid, liquid, gas. However, there are two more states also there. One is plasma, another is bone and then condensate. Plasma is often called the fourth state of the matter. Plasma is formed by superheating of the gas. It does not hold its shape and has a huge amount of energy. So plasma is formed by the superheating of a gas and it does not hold its shape and it has a huge amount of energy. Plasma can be found on the earth in flames and lightning. The sun, the star, and some other celestial objects are made of plasma. So here is the comparison between the solid, liquid and gases about their shape, volume, intermolecular space, cohesive force, Brownian motion and compressibility. You can see this video on YouTube and you can subscribe this one. Next time I will come with the next part of this chapter matter. So thank you.